Om Shanti. So I thank Dadi Gulzar on behalf of all of you that even if you are only 100, she made it time to see all of you. But the force behind all this is Dadi Janki. She couldn't come. She wanted to come on 6th, but she couldn't come because of her health reason. But she's from downstairs planning classes for you. She pushed Brijmohan Bhai to come and take class for you. Then she also was emphasizing Dadi Gulzar to come and see all of you. Yesterday Dadi was saying, but I have seen some of them downstairs. I said, no, there are many more here who haven't seen you downstairs. So she is spending time with you. So I thank her for coming. Om Shanti.
ओम शांति। फिर कहो ओम शांति। सभी के चेहरों में क्या दिखाई दे रहा है?
What is Dadi seeing on the faces, on the faces of all of you?
मेरा बाबा,
My Baba,
मीठा बाबा,
sweet Baba,
प्यारा बाबा,
lovely Baba.
और बाबा के दिल में कौन दिखाई दे रहा है?
And who is seen in Baba's heart?
हम सब दिखाई दे रहे हैं ना?
All of us.
हमारे दिल में बाबा और बाबा के दिल में कौन?
Baba is in our heart, and who is in Baba's heart? I. You should say I.
है बाबा के दिल में?
Are you in Baba's heart? Are you?
है?
Yes, are you in Baba's heart?
कभी कभी.
Is it always or sometimes?
कभी कभी नहीं. बाबा ने
It should
क्या
not be
कहा?
sometimes.
कभी कभी
What did Baba say?
शब्द ब्राह्मणों के डिक्शनरी में ही नहीं.
That the word sometimes is not in the dictionary of Brahmins.
पक्का?
Sure?
अभी
Yes?
यहाँ मधुबन में कभी कभी शब्द छोड़ के जाना.
So now that you're in Madhuban, leave behind this word sometimes in Madhuban.
सदा.
Forever you leave this word sometimes in Madhuban.
तो क्या
Let it be
होगा?
always.
निर्विघ्न.
Then you will be free of obstacles.
कैसा भी वायुमंडल हो, लेकिन उस वायुमंडल को बाबा के याद से पावरफुल वायुमंडल बना.
Whatever the atmosphere might be, but then with Baba's remembrance, you can make it powerful.
बनाने आता है ना?
You know how to make the atmosphere powerful, don't you?
आता?
Do you know?
हाथ उठाओ जिसको
Those who
आता
say
है.
they know how to make the atmosphere powerful, raise their hand.
हाँ, इसमें भी कभी कभी नहीं.
Don't say sometimes in this also.
क्योंकि बाबा कहा और बस बाबा में समा गए.
Because the moment you say Baba, you are then lost in Baba's love.
तो वायुमंडल कैसा होगा?
Then how will the atmosphere become?
बस मेरा बाबा याद आया, वायुमंडल पावर.
The moment you remember my Baba, and the atmosphere will change.
यहाँ क्यों एक्स्ट्रा मदद मिलती है? क्योंकि बाबा साकार में साथ होता है.
Here you get more help, extra help, because Sakar Baba lived in Madhuban and therefore those vibrations are there.
तो यही अभ्यास वहाँ भी करना. मेरा बाबा दिल से कहेंगे ना, बाबा हाजिर.
So you'll have to practice this there also, because if you say my Baba with love, then you will be able to create that vibration there also.
इसीलिए बाबा कहता है अमृत वेले से लेकर बस यही लगन लगाओ, मेरा बाबा, प्यारा बाबा, मीठा बाबा।
Therefore, from Amrit Vela onwards, you start thinking within, getting the intoxication. My Baba, dear Baba, lovely Baba, sweet Baba, keep telling inside you.
Combined.
I'm combined with Baba.
हाँ, बाबा को अलग नहीं, combined बन जाओ।
Don't separate Baba from you. You are make him combined with you.
Combined इतने में अलग नहीं होता।
And when something is combined, it cannot be separated.
अगर दुनिया में कोई अंग combined हो जाता तो ऑपरेशन करना पड़ता।
Sometimes, you find two babies, they are sort of attached to each other, and therefore if you want those babies to be separated, there's an operation which has to be done to separate them.
तो combined बाबा के साथ combined रहना, combined में क्या है, बाबा की मदद मिलती रहेगी,
So
अकेले नहीं।
They are combined there. Here too Baba says, you stay combined. Don't separate yourself. You should always be combined with Baba.
Combined पक्का?
Are you combined with Baba?
पक्का, दो हाथ।
Sure, raise both hands if you say yes.
Combined, combined, पक्का।
Pakka, sure, firm, determined.
अलग हो ही नहीं सकते।
You
क्यों?
cannot be separated from him.
हमने आधा कलम से याद किया बाबा को।
We remembered Baba for half a
आओ,
kalpa.
आओ,
Come, come, come.
और आ गया
And he came.
तो भूलेंगे कैसे?
Then how can you forget him?
कंबाइंड रहने से क्या होगा? बाबा की मदद है ना, कंबाइंड है ना, तो कोई भी प्रॉब्लम जो है ना, वो प्रॉब्लम नहीं लगेगी, एक खेल है।
What will happen if you stay combined with Baba? Because you are combined with Baba, then you will not find any problem to be a problem. You will think it's only a game you are playing.
तो अनुभव करो ये,
Experience this.
वहां जाते भी ये पक्का करो हम कंबाइंड है।
Even when you go back to your places, make this firm in you. I'm combined with Baba.
क्योंकि हम भले कोई बात में कमजोर है, लेकिन हमारा साथी कंबाइंड तो पावरफुल है ना।
It may be that I may be a little bit weak, but my companion or with whom I'm combined is very powerful, isn't he? So that one is powerful.
इसीलिए सदा जीती जीत है, विजय।
And therefore, because I'm combined with that one, then I'm always victorious. It is destined, it is definite that I will be victorious.
तो खुशी कितनी होगी?
Then how happy we will become.
खुशी में उड़ते रहेंगे।
Then we'll fly in happiness.
तो अभी दिल में संकल्प करो कि बाबा को कंबाइंड रखना ही है, अलग नहीं होना।
So now make a determined thought inside you that I have to make Baba combined with me. I will never separate Baba from me.
पक्का?
Sure?
ऐसे करो, पक्का?
Say like this.
बाबा देख रहा है, बाबा देख
Baba is
रहा है।
watching you. Baba is watching you.
पक्का।
Pakka, strong, firm, determined, sure.
अभी ये सोचो मधुबन से जाएंगे तो क्या ले जाएंगे मधुबन से?
So just think, now that you will be leaving Madhuban soon, what will you take with you from Madhuban?
एक तो बाबा को कंबाइंड रखेंगे,
One is you will keep Baba combined with you.
दूसरा जो बाबा ने कहा है ना, ये नहीं करना है, वो यहाँ छोड़ के जाए।
Second, whatever Baba has said to not do, that you should leave behind here before you go.
तो बाबा ने मूल बात कौन सी कही?
So what has Baba said about not having with you, that you shouldn't have it with you?
किसको विदाई देना है?
Because you have to bid goodbye to it.
व्यर्थ संकल्प।
Waste thoughts.
पक्का?
Sure?
हाँ? साथ में तो नहीं कोने में छिप के वो चला
Hope
जाएगा।
you won't take waste thoughts with you somewhere hidden inside in one corner of your suitcase or anywhere.
फिर वहां से पत्र लिखेंगे तो हम तो छोड़ के आए थे, पता नहीं फिर क्यों आ गए।
And then
बाबा अभी बताओ क्या करूं?
And then you write letter from there. Baba, I don't know how I left it behind. I don't know how it accompanied me. And now, Baba, please help me to leave it.
ऐसे पत्र नहीं लिखना है।
Don't write such letters from there.
ऐसा पत्र लिखना, बाबा कंबाइन बाबा, मैं बहुत 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 खुश हूँ और खुशी बांट।
The letter you should write is, Baba, I am combined with you and I am very, 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 very happy.
ठीक है ना?
Yes?
हाँ, वो पत्र नहीं लिखना, बाबा पढ़ेगा ही नहीं।
Don't write letters of complaints or excuses or whatever. Baba will never read those letters.
बाबा कहेगा बच्ची तुम पढ़ो,
Baba
मैं
will,
नहीं पढ़ता।
Baba will say, you read it yourself. I don't read such letters.
इसीलिए बाबा ने कहा, हमने पहले भी सुनाया है, मम्मा थी ना हमारी, चित्र तो देखा होगा मम्मा का, तो मम्मा छोटी थी, कुमारी थी, मम्मा को मम्मा बनाया, कुमारी को, और थी बड़ी बड़ी, लेकिन वो मम्मा नहीं बनी, ये छोटी मम्मा बन गई, तो हम मम्मा से
दादी गीत बज रहे।
अच्छा।
So in the yagya, Mama and all others came at the same time. Mama was much younger than many others who were much older than Mama. But that younger one, she became Mama, and the older ones in age did not become Mama, did not become the mother.
इसको कहते हैं ट्रैफिक कंट्रोल। ये जो रिकॉर्ड बजते हैं ना, इसका नाम है ट्रैफिक कंट्रोल। तो कौन सी ट्रैफिक?
So the song was played now, and we call it traffic control. So what type of traffic which we have to control?
ये वेस्ट थॉट्स के कंट्रोल
We have
करने
to
का ये बीच बीच में बाबा अभ्यास कराता है।
we have to control our waste thoughts, and for that Baba makes us practice this in between from time to time.
वैसे भी क्या होता है, ट्रैफिक कंट्रोल करते हैं ना, सब कारें ठहर जाती है।
You know, even otherwise on the road, there are traffic lights, and then they control the traffic, and when the red light is on, all the vehicles have to stop.
तो ये मन के वेस्ट थॉट्स का कंट्रोल ट्रैफिक है।
So we have to control the waste thoughts which come in the mind.
क्योंकि बाबा ने सुना दिया है कि अभी समय ऐसा आएगा जो अचानक सब होगा। तो अचानक जब होगा तो उसमें क्या प्रैक्टिस चाहिए? 1 सेकंड में कंट्रोल।
Baba has said a number of times that now things, they will happen all of a sudden, so it will be suddenly. And when it suddenly means at that time you need to control in 1 second, because suddenly means you can't, you don't have time to think, or you don't have time to do anything else.
तो ये प्रैक्टिस बहुत चाहिए।
Therefore you need a lot of practice of this.
अभी से अभ्यास करेंगे ना, तो समय आने पर, उस समय थोड़ा अचानक होता है ना, तो उस समय हमारा ये प्रैक्टिस काम में आवे।
Therefore we need a lot of practice, and therefore you need to practice from here itself, because whatever you practice, that is of real use, and then you can use it at the right time when you have a lot of practice of it before.
उस समय प्रैक्टिस नहीं करेंगे, जैसे एग्जाम होता है ना, उस समय कोई पढ़ाई करे तो चलेगी क्या?
Just as when you have to appear for an examination, just one day before you start studying, you can't do it. You can't just keep studying at that time when you have to appear for an examination.
ये अभी से करना है। अभी भले वो सरकमस्टेंस नहीं है, लेकिन चलते चलते हमारी अवस्था में कोई भी बात कमजोर हो जाती है, तो व्यस्त संकल्प को चलते हैं ना।
You have to practice beforehand. So too now, maybe that at this time the situations don't seem bad, nothing is wrong happening, but then anything can happen anytime. So it's not that you have to wait for the situation to come and then you'll practice. Therefore you have to practice it much beforehand to face that situation.
कभी कभी कहते हैं ना, पता नहीं मेरे को क्या हुआ है, खुशी गुम हो गई है। बाबा को याद करती हूँ, याद नहीं आता है, तो कोई अंदर व्यर्थ थॉट्स चलता है, व्यर्थ संबंध में कोई न कोई नियम खंडन होता है, तभी होता है।
Sometimes we just start wondering why all of a sudden I'm not able to do good meditation, I'm not able to really concentrate, I'm not able to do this, I don't know why. But then the reason is very specific, very clear. It's because of the waste thoughts inside. And those waste thoughts, they keep coming again and again, and you can't stop them. And this is why the feeling comes and you can't remember Baba.
तो ऐसे टाइम पर अभी भी जब होता है ना, तो उस समय सेकंड में बिंदी देखो लगता है स्टॉप। स्टॉप जीरो, वो भी बिंदी और मैं आत्मा भी बिंदी।
So even now, anything happens at that moment, just tell yourself, I'm a point of light. And zero, like full stop. And I have to check whether I can really make my mind peaceful, or one second stop my thoughts if I want. Can I do it? I have to check within.
तो ये अभी से प्रैक्टिस करो, उस समय प्रैक्टिस नहीं, उस समय तो काम में लगाना पड़ेगा.
So you have to practice this in times of, when there's no situation, because at that time, during the situation, you can't do any practice.
तो ये प्रैक्टिस करते हैं.
Do you do this practice?
0 बस 1 सेकंड में स्टॉप, परिवर्तन हो जाए.
0, stop in a second and the transformation happens in a second.
इसके लिए ताकत चाहिए,
You need a lot of
चाहिए बहुत.
willpower, internal strength for that. You need a lot of courage for that.
तो ये प्रैक्टिस करना बहुत समय पर काम में आएंगे.
You need to practice this because it will help you at the time of need.
चलो कोई सरकमस्टेंस नहीं है, लेकिन हमारे संकल्प चल रहे हैं रवाजी, लेकिन संकल्प को कंट्रोल करने चाहूँ तो कर सकती हूँ. ये चलते हुए भी अभ्यास करो.
So at the moment maybe an adverse situation isn't there, but then I have to practice it because any waste thoughts keep coming. So when those thoughts come, I should pay attention to myself and then give myself that thought that yes, I'm stopping in a second. Even the thoughts are not very bad or not vague, but then I have to give a stop in 1 second. So this practice has to be continuous.
और बाबा कहते हैं कोई भी कमजोरी आती है ना, रह गई है हमारे अंदर अगर कमजोरी, उसका कारण क्या है?
Also another thing Baba, asks, supposing somebody says, I have this weakness in me, I'm not able to remove this weakness, I have this weakness. So what's the reason for that weakness to still remain within?
उसका कारण है कि मन के ऊपर कंट्रोलिंग पावर, रूलिंग पावर नहीं है.
I'm not able to stop it because I do not have my controlling power and ruling power over my mind.
तो ये रूलिंग पावर, कंट्रोलिंग पावर बाबा ने दी तो है ना, उसको यूज करो अभी से.
Baba has given
उस समय
us.
नहीं कर सके, उस समय तो पेपर देना है, फेल होंगे या पास होंगे.
Baba has given us this controlling power and ruling power. He has taught us how to do it. So therefore, we must be using it. We must be bringing it into practice. You can't do it at that time. At that time, you should be ready to pass in the examination, that appearing in the examination. You can't be practicing at that time.
इसके लिए क्या करो? उसके साधन है सारे दिन की अपनी दिनचर्या फिक्स करो. मन को बिजी कैसे रखें, उसकी दिनचर्या अपनी बनाओ. जो मन बिजी रहे उसी काम में, बिजी रहेगा तो फिर वेस्ट नहीं आएंगे.
So the means for that is to form a timetable for your mind for the whole day. How to keep your mind busy whole day. So if your mind is kept busy and you know what to think, then the mind will not have waste thoughts.
उसका आधार है, मन को बिजी करने का आधार है मुरली.
And the basis of this keeping the mind busy is the Murli.
हर मुरली में 4 सब्जेक्ट होती.
In every Murli there are 4 subjects.
ज्ञान, योग, धारणा, सेवा. ये 4 सब्जेक्ट है.
All the 4 subjects are in every Murli.
तो मुरली में जो बाबा ने ज्ञान के प्रति क्या कहा, और फिर योग के प्रति क्या कहा, और फिर धारणा के लिए क्या पॉइंट दी, सेवा के लिए क्या पॉइंट दी. मन को काम में बिजी रखो तो मन में व्यर्थ संकल्प चलेंगे नहीं.
So you can keep your mind busy by drawing out the topics, the points from each Murli. What did Baba say about knowledge today? What did Baba say about yoga today? What did Baba say about dharana today? What did Baba say about seva, service today? So in this way your mind will be kept busy in Baba's Murli points, and that will also help you.
और दूसरा है इसका जो बाबा ने समय प्रति समय ट्रैफिक कंट्रोल ड्रिल सिखाई। जैसे अभी बाबा ने कहा, जैसे मेरा 3 रूप है, बाप, शिक्षक, सतगुरु, वैसे तुम्हारा भी 3 रूप है, ब्राह्मण, फरिश्ता, देवता।
This traffic control from time to time during the whole day. You should be able to check your thoughts and give a full stop to your waste thoughts. And also Baba has said that and also practice the drill which Baba gives. Like Baba said, you have 3 relationships with me. I'm your father, teacher, Sadguru. So 3 relationships. Similarly, Baba said in the latest Murli that you have your 3 forms: Brahmin, angel, deity. So these 3 forms are there of yours.
तो जो समय पर समय बोलियों में बाबा ने भिन्न भिन्न प्रकार की ड्रिल सिखलाई है। वो ड्रिल जो है ना, वो मन को इसमें बिजी करो, ड्रिल शुरू कर दो।
So Baba
तो मन
has,
बिजी हो जाएगा ना, तो मेहनत नहीं करनी पड़ेगी। आया फिर संकल्प उसको हटाओ, हटाने के पहले ही स्टॉप कर दो।
so practice the different forms of drills which Baba has taught us, the different exercises. So from time to time, if you are practicing these exercises, then when those waste thoughts come, you won't have to battle inside your mind to say, no, I must not think this, I must not do that. But you'll be easily overcome it because you have the practice of doing the drill.
ओके ओके, तो बाबा के समान हो जाएंगे।
Then you will become like Baba.
मम्मा का हमने सुनाया ना, मम्मा से हम पूछते थे, मम्मा आपने क्या पुरुषार्थ किया है जो आप मम्मा हो गई?
So Dadi was telling that point about how Mama was younger in age and there were many other older sisters, but then how Mama, though young, she became the mother. So one day she asked Mama, Mama, what made you Mama? How did you become the mother of the yagya? Where there were so many others who were much older than you.
तो मम्मा ने क्या कहा, मेरा पुरुषार्थ 2 शब्दों का।
So Mama said, my effort, if you ask me, is only of 2 words.
वो 2 शब्द कौन से हैं? बाबा का कहना, मम्मा का करना।
Those 2 words are, whatever Baba says, I do it. So Baba says, I do. These are the 2 words which are, imprinted in me, and I never go against them.
तो ऐसे पुरुषार्थ करो बस, जो बाबा ने कहा ना वो करना।
So this should be your practice to do that. Baba said and I did it. Baba says it and I do
कहा
it.
बाबा ने करना ही है।
So what Baba said today, think of it and then I have to do it. I will do it. Say that to yourself.
और रात्रि को फिर चेक करो, जो बाबा ने कहा वो मैंने किया।
And then at night before going to bed, check for the whole day. Whatever Baba said, did I do that? So check for what you did the whole day.
अगर कोई नहीं भी हुआ हो ना, तो दूसरे दिन के लिए अंडरलाइन करो।
If by chance you missed it and you did not do as Baba had said, then say, okay, never mind. Tomorrow I will definitely do it. So next day be very attentive, more attentive.
ओके, सभी तीव्र पुरुषार्थी,
All are intense effort
पुरुषार्थी
makers,
नहीं, तीव्र पुरुषार्थी।
not just effort makers, intense effort makers.
कौन हो तीव्र पुरुषार्थी? ना कांधे लाओ।
Not, if you say yes, intense effort makers. Yeah, nod your head. Yes?
हाँ?
Yes or no?
पक्का?
Pakka? Sure?
तो किसको कितना बाबा प्यार करेगा?
So Baba will give you so much love when Baba sees you as an intense effort maker.
बस और क्या चाहिए?
What else you need?
बाबा का प्यार मिल गया, प्यार के झूले में झूलेंगे।
You receive
और क्या चाहिए?
Baba's love and you keep swinging in Baba's love. What else you need?
ओके, ओम शांति।
Daddy, इतने सारे. Daddy would like to know who's all of you here. Who are leaving tomorrow? ये कल जा रहे हैं. Leaving tomorrow. Okay. Leaving day after tomorrow? Okay. So today is 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th. अच्छा 11th. 12th.
अच्छा
13th. 14th. 13 lucky number. 14th. 14th. 15th. Also 15th. 16th. Also 16th. Okay. 17th. Anybody here after 17th? After 17th. Acha? Okay. All right. Om Shanti. So,
अच्छा अभी 1 सेकंड में फुल स्टॉप.
now
1 सेकंड में फुल स्टॉप.
apply a full stop in 1 second.
रिकॉर्ड बजाओ.